Okay, so how'd you get the holes in your shirt, Taylor?
Well, as being a scientist, I was messing with the chemicals in the lab. And I put them down my shirt, and when you wash them and dry them, look, watch. I like ate through the fabric. It's like a. Is that a picture?
It's a video.
Video?
It's a video. I like taking I have that on video.
Of me?
Boiling water.
You gotta stop that and let me see it.
Hold on, no.
It's bad. You gotta delete it.
Hold on. Oh my God, Tyler's not doing his part. Yeah, he's not looking at you now, Tyler.
I'm walking into it.
Wait a minute, Raven. Wait a minute, y'all. Wait a minute.
Are you gonna do this again?
You be catching me going right now.
Hold on.
You gotta delete that one and stop, Michael.
Determine which answer and which page combine to form it or whatever. Purifying water.
That's a
That's a use. What answer?
Javon, why don't you do any word?
When you get water from?
I'm gonna show you a little sign. I think gang
I'm
down
trying to
here.
stop y'all for y'all.
Walk it don't mean you don't know. Walk it is a person. Walk it.
Let me show you something. Get on that girl's face. Hey, get on her face real quick. I got something to say about her face. That there's Javon. He skidded on her face and she rubbed it all in like lotion.
Ew, you so nasty.
It's time to fight.
Identify the spectre ions in the neutral eye of lithium.
I'm gonna be on that. I'm gonna be on the new
Sorry.
Soulja Boy.
If we don't finish this, then we have to do it for homework.
Is that 5?
So we don't have to take
If you don't finish it today,
We take on the
you're going to take it home if you don't finish today. Let's go and do it.
I'm supposed to be doing my work, but I'm not doing my work. Because we can take it home.
Watch out, y'all.
What are y'all gonna do?
Def Jam fight for Florida. T.I. versus Soulja Boy. Now we all know who. I mean, T.I. versus G.
Would y'all go?
T.I. versus
Hey,
Go.
pick a player.
guys.
T.I. versus
Work it out for me.
She wants you to teach her how to do the bird walk. She don't know
I
how
know
to
how to do the bird walk. Let's do it. Let's go.
Soulja Boy versus Lil Flo. After you
No,
y'all, I don't know what's up, y'all.
Let's do the bird walk. Yeah, do the bird walk. Show us how to do it. I'm not with that. I want to see it. Ready? Let's do it.
Hear that beat, Card? Wallow. Why me in my bird walk? 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 Why me do it? Why me do it? I'm playing nasty guitar solo. Why me do it? Now suck that. Kill it, boy. I so kill it.
That was too fast. Well, do the one you know. Ready?
Crank that ignorance. Yeah, crank that ignorance.
Let's be just we gotta break this down. No, I do it. We gotta break this down. Gangsta, so real gangsta moves. Oh my god. Oh girl. Taylor, do your dance.
Oh my god.
Hardcore boxing dancing, man. Yeah, that's how we do it.
Queen, that's queen right here. That's queen.
By the grace of God.
Rock out, Tyler. Rock out.
2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Wait, wrong foot. Oh my god!
Hey, I gotta teach you this thing. I'm telling you, play
You're doing this dance. Look. 1, 2. It's a what is that? No, it's not. It's this. Oh, wait. Yes, it is. Oh! Here! We need your help. Soulja Boy. Wait. What is that? What is this?
Hey, teach me this cool dance.
1, 2.
It's like called the thing.
You think they're retarded, don't you?
Do that on Soulja Boy. Let's do something good.
I don't even know how to
Okay, y'all, everybody get in line because I want all y'all doing it. If I'm gonna videotape it.
Yeah, do the Soulja Boy. I can't do Soulja Boy. Okay, ready? Hold on.
She's got the song on her iPod. Let her put it on, okay?
Hurry up, Kill.
I can hear it.
Oh, it's just like going around like.
I'll hate that. There's one song I want to get hardcore. That's a really long way.
Let's go. No, what's up? This your bro, Soulja Boy. Tell him, yo, we in the place to be. Y'all need to stop that.
Daddy, get the car. Teach us how, full master. That's the bird box.
How dumb are they right now?
Teach us how to do this thing. This thing. Teach us how to do it.
Is this why white people have a bad name?
Yes, okay. We're gonna put this.
How do you do it? Do the bird box. Slow motion.
We're gonna put this on my
What's the bad time?
We're gonna name this.
Do it. Do it.
Name this Six White Chicks.
Come on. Six white chicks. One back.
They're like attacking the black dude.
Six white chicks in them.
The white girls like you.
Go.
They gotta be
Do
my
it.
background.
Come on, get it back.
Y'all gotta get in the back.
Get behind it. Get behind it.
Alright, get up there. Get up there. Alright, here we
Hold this.
What the frick are y'all about to do? What the heck is... What the heck? Wait, no.
First up.
I'm not.
Alright, ready.
Second step. Go down again. Third step. Turn around.
Oh my God, you got
Go straight. And then
Hold up.
Hurry up, y'all. Go.
go.
Show them.
I'm sliding.
Alright, we got it. Let's go.
Let's do this.
1, 2, 3.
Bird walk. Why we in my bird walk? I don't got all friends over here.
Okay.
See that?
Yo, what's up? This is from Soulja Boy. Tell him.
What?
This is Tyler.
Soulja Boy up in the
Oh!
Woo!